Well, this morning I'm going to be at home. We are, with my trusty assistant, doing Porsche door card rebuild. So we stripped off the cover. I've been up to, do I promote them? Yeah, B&Q. By the way, please send me loads of stuff for nothing. Been up to B&Q, bought some new card. So that's the old door card, as you can see. Suffered a little bit from damp and crap over the years. And hopefully when we go like that, we now have our template. So just need to cut that out and then reattach the door card. So right, 3, 2, 1, back in the room. We've cut our board now. These are the tools we've used. Obviously made a template. Used a jigsaw drill, little hole maker. As you can see, we're there or thereabouts. And now, the next thing is, I'm going to install the cover, which I'm going to use some spray glue, and I'll run through the process as we go along. Okay, so we've now put the cover back on with our trusty staple gun and some trim fix adhesive. As you can see, it now needs a little bit of a refresh on the cover, so I'm just going to give it a wipe off and then we're going to recolour seal it. So I'll do that one shortly. Well, I've not leather treated it, vinyl and leather treated it yet, but I did just give it a quick wipe down with some G101. I don't know what's in it, but it is kind of like some magic gear. Water smart. Takes away anything. Don't leave it on too long though, can melt glue. Normally dilute it down a bit. Just notice we've got a slight nick there in the vinyl where the window winder has caught it at some point. I will fill that, but not on this video, because my filler is not here. However, we will give it a quick light down with a little bit of self-sealant colourant once it's dried. So, what's happened? We've gone from a shabby old door card, really letting the car down, to a refinished one here. Like I did say in the previous video, I will end up filling that, and I might just do an additional just to show you. Obviously the door pocket's going to go on there, but nice and solid, probably good for another 30 years. So any more tips, or you're interested in Porsche, Ferrari, Bentley, just anything old and classic, check us out, the Real Car Dealers of Cheshire, or hashtag TRCDOC. Thank you very much. Hi guys, I said we'd just do a final shot of the door card. Obviously I've filled that hole there where the window winder had caught it, so it's going to get another quick spattering of vinyl and leather paint.
Spattering.
Yeah. A smidge.
Smidgen.
Smidgen.